Back to my channel today. We explore the fascinating history and values of three ultra-rare UK sixpence coins from 1957, 1958, and 1962. Let's get started. First up, we have the 1957 UK sixpence. This coin, minted over 6 decades ago, is considered one of the most sought-after coins by collectors. Its intricate design and limited mintage make it a real gem in the world of coin collecting. But just how valuable is it? Well, to find out, I checked the Heritage Auction website, a trusted source for coin values. Here, I found that a 1957 UK sixpence in excellent condition has been known to fetch prices upwards of $100,500 in recent auctions. That's impressive. Ha! Next, we have the 1958 UK sixpence. This coin shares a similar rarity and historical significance. Its design is a testament to the craftsmanship of the Royal Mint. Let's see what it's worth. According to the Heritage Auction records, a 1958 UK sixpence in great condition has recently sold for around $300,000 in auctions. The demand for these coins is certainly strong. If do you have in your collection, leave the comment below. Finally, we come to the 1962 UK sixpence. Although a bit newer than the previous two, this coin is still highly sought after by collectors due to its rarity and historical significance. Let's check its value. Heritage Auction reports show that a 1962 UK sixpence in excellent condition has been known to reach prices of $200,000 in 2021 in recent auctions. This highlights just how much collectors value these historical treasures. So, there you have it. Remember that coin values can fluctuate over time, so it's essential to stay updated with the latest market trends. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more coin collecting content,